Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox pants on mobile. First, you'll need a good image editing app on your phone or tablet. There are many free and paid options available. Next, download the official Roblox pants template. This template is crucial as it guides your design, showing you exactly where each part of the pants will appear in the game. It's a two-dimensional layout that translates into a three-dimensional item. Now, open the Roblox pants template within your image editing app. This is where your creativity shines. Use different layers to apply colors, textures, and patterns. Think about the front, back, and sides of the legs. For example, the main body of the pants is typically 128 pixels by 128 pixels for each leg section. Make sure your design flows seamlessly across these areas to avoid any awkward seams in-game. Once your design is perfect, save it as a PNG file. It's important to have a transparent background for areas you don't want covered. Then, head over to the Roblox website using your mobile browser. Go to the Create section, select Pants, and upload your PNG. Roblox typically requires images to be 585 pixels wide by 559 pixels tall. After uploading, test your new pants in a game to see how they look on your avatar and make any necessary adjustments. To create truly outstanding pants, always use reference images for inspiration. Look at real-world clothing or other Roblox designs. Don't be afraid to experiment with your editing app's features, like blending modes and filters, to add depth and realism. Remember to save your work frequently throughout the design process. A good design can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, so consistent saving is key to avoid losing your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.